Quite often, I have to stop and pinch myself. Somehow, I've managed to escape 2020. Just recently, my friends and I, on total spontaneity, ended up harvesting rice in the mountains of rural Vietnam. Let's take a look.
Straight?
Straight.
Yeah, let's see, look at that steep road up that hill.
Take it easy.
There you go. No, walk on here. Walk on the, yeah. They don't care. Because if you walk down there, that's their field. Up here is like their roads. Yeah. So as we were just talking about, this is where you walk. In this area here, and down here, this is where the rice grows. So this is kind of the roads, if you want to call it that, of the rice field. Very nice. Oh, Jesus. Oi, oi, oi. All right, so here we are. It's the rice harvest, and it's really beautiful now because it's all gold, as you see. Yeah, it doesn't suck here. So we're kind of just walking over right now. They're in the middle of harvesting it. We're gonna take a look at how they do it. And they're doing it right now because it's about the time where the weather is going to get very cold. So they gotta make sure it's done before then. So let's put.
So we are in the farms now. We are trying to go there and try to do some harvesting with them. This will be our very first time to do this, but trust me, it's always good to have an adventure.
So here we are walking on to the area where they're actually harvesting the rice, and it was Bonzi's idea that we actually go and help them with the harvesting process. Now this is something that, given the nature of our lack of Vietnamese abilities, we couldn't actually ask them to do, but we saw some friendly smiles and just decided to go for it. So big shout out to Bonzi here for the initiative, because it really turned into an incredible experience.
Woohoo, let's go! Yeah! We have the rice. seed that you eventually eat, we're gonna go in and we're gonna remove it from the rest of the plant. We gotta take our turns. Very cool. And as you see, now there's no more rice on the plant. Very, very nice. That's awesome. That's
Yeah, so after this, after harvesting it, this is what you have to do. Try to take out, how do you call it, the chaff, right? Chaff from it. And then, this is, so that is what she's trying to do right now. Trying to take out the chaff. Good. And then, after that, you just put it back in the, you just bag it. Yeah. So this is what we just did. This is what Eric just did.
grasshopper. Eat it.
No. No. This, Eric want to try eating grasshopper?
Nah, not a live grasshopper.
Good.
It didn't want to get eaten.
My friend Eric.
Yeah, it's really cool. I don't think we were expecting to do this when we, or at least I wasn't when we turned over to this road, but Bonzi was like, let's go do it. And I was kind of questioning whether it would actually happen. Here we are, we're doing it. And you know, we can help out. I know it doesn't make a big difference, but for us, at least for me, it's a really cool experience to be able to see where the rice comes from. You know, it's all that we eat here. And so much of the people who live in Vietnam, they farm rice. And so to get the opportunity to get a little bit of a taste of that, I think is a really, really fortunate thing that we were just able to go through. So really cool. We were able to learn their names. They speak more English than we speak Vietnamese, maybe. But, you know, it's cool. It was real cool. And we didn't lose our fingers in the rice shredder.
Well, there you have it. That's what harvesting rice looks like in Vietnam. If you didn't know already, I live up here. And as such, I've got lots of time to show you around northern Vietnam. So if there's anything you'd like to see, whether that's food, family life, culture, or nature, please let me know. Things that might seem normal to me could be eye-opening to you. And finally, if you enjoyed the video, please like it, comment your thoughts, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And just a hint, there's going to be dancing dragons and colorful tanks. See you soon.